The fusion of male and female gametes is called. Fertilization is the fusion of gametes. Where is the male gamete produced? Let's look at this 3D model. Anthers contain pollen grains. These carry the male gametes. The female gamete is present inside the ovule contains the embryo sac, where the egg cell is located. The ovule contains egg cell is located. The pollen tube grows through here are the 4 options. The correct answer is C. It grows through the style to reach the ovule. After fertilization, the ovule develops into. The fertilized ovule develops into a seed. The ovary develops into. Here are your options. After fertilization, the ovary becomes the fruit. The first cell formed after fertilization is A. Embryo, B. Zygote, C. Seed, D. Ovule. The zygote is formed immediately after fertilization. The zygote develops into what? The zygote divides repeatedly to form the embryo, which is essential for fertilization. Let's look at this flower. What do you think? This ain't. Pollination brings pollen to the stigma. Let's look at this quiz. Here are the options. Pollination occurs, but what happens without fertilization? Fertilization is necessary for seed formation. What is the receptive part of the pistil? Let's look at the options. Pollen grains land on the stigma. So, C is the correct answer. The male gamete reaches the ovule through. The correct answer is B. The pollen tube transports the male gametes. The embryo develops inside is it the fruit or the seed? Let's reveal the correct answer. It is the seed. It remains protected. Let's look at this plant seed model. Which structure protects the embryo? Seed coat, B. Petal, C. Style, or D. Anther? The correct answer is A. The seed coat. The transfer of pollen from another flower is. Cross-pollination involves 2 different flowers. Let's look at this quiz. Self-pollination occurs when flowers are. Here are the options. The answer is bisexual. They contain both stamens and pistils. Which event occurs immediately after fertilization? Let's look at the options. Fertilization directly produces the zygote. Fertilization is the process of. It is the fusion of gametes. So, C is the correct answer. This forms a zygote.